Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you an app. It's called Alibaba.com. B2B, it means business to business marketplace. So world leading B2B marketplace, business to business. So if you want to get this app, then you have to go Google Play Store and App Store. In both this app is available. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button, and before that I will tell you something, that the rating of the app 4.2 out of 5. It means that when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so I consider that the app is amazing. And 2 million reviews. Okay, it means 2 million people write something about this app, and 56 megabyte size of the app, and 100 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install, it notifies. So okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.